Hey guys! Today I'm going to tell you what a perceptron is. A perceptron is a neural network with an input layer and an output layer. The input layer is connected to the output layer. Each connection has a certain weight. So let's say this connection has a 2, the next a 4, and the last a 1. Let's now calculate the output for a certain kind of input. As input we have 2, 1 and 3. In the output layer we now calculate the following, which is also called the weighted sum function: 2 times 2 plus 1 times 4 plus 3 times 1 equals 11. Now in the next step different things can happen. If the second function of the output neuron in the output layer is the so-called identity function, the output will be the same as the input, which is in our case 11. Another possibility could be to use the sign function. If we have calculated a value below 0, the output would be -1. If we would have calculated a 0, the output would be 0. And lastly, if we would have a value above 0, the output would be 1. In my next video, I will tell you what rest is, also known as representational state transfer. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye!